Olive oil has some great benefits for our hair and body. Chiltan Pure's olive oil is a versatile and healthy option when it's consumed. It's rich in monounsaturated fats which can lower the risk of heart diseases. It's also packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties benefiting overall health. Plus, it is great option for body massage. It moisturizes the skin, promotes relaxation and may improve circulation. And if you are on a diet, I'm sharing a quick salad recipe with olive oil dressing.